It is. Here goes IWS 6624 this time. Oh, here he is. He got the thumbs wide open on him. He should have closed it. They forgot to tilt. Hold the thumbs back. I mean, the fork's back. I can't believe he did this. Here it is. What the world? He's going the wrong way. I thought he's about to turn left. Now he's going the wrong way. Oh! I think it's gonna spawn around. I'm like, he's going the wrong way. Why are you doing? I think it's gonna turn around. He forgot to turn the force right there, man. There he is. I knew he was going to spawn around. I knew he was going to spawn around. Here's what to do. Yep. This IWS 6624. Probably can't see the 6 here because the wood things in the back. Probably all scratched up. Don't know if there's a repair or not. Well, oh well. Oh, his bag got stuck in. Oh! 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 Things came out! All these slumbers. Bag just found out and falling to pieces, man. Oh! Oh! That was crazy, man. They just got loose right there in the bag. Oh! Bag just came loose. I know this ain't close with all the way. Oof. There it is. Oof, that was intense right here. got to turn right or something. There goes IWS 6624. Oh, he's going the other way. There goes IWS 6624. That's it.